In today's video, I'm going to teach you how ManyChat works with Facebook Messenger. First, let's connect ManyChat to your Facebook Messenger. Go ahead and log into your ManyChat account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different options. Look for the one called Settings and click on it. Inside the Settings area, check the left panel again for a section labeled Channels. These are all the places you can connect to ManyChat. Find Messenger in that list and click it. If your Facebook Messenger isn't connected yet, you'll see a Connect button. Click that, and then simply follow the prompts that appear. ManyChat will guide you through connecting your Facebook account and choosing which page to use. One important note here: you do need a Facebook business page for this connection to work. Personal profiles won't connect, so make sure you've set up a page beforehand. Once Messenger is connected, you can start building automations. On the left sidebar, find and click Automations. In the top right corner, there's a button that says New Automation. Click that, and a pop-up will appear with various ready-made templates for every channel you've connected. At the top of that pop-up, choose Messenger to filter the templates so you only see options designed for Facebook Messenger. On the left side of that pop-up, you can also filter templates by goal, such as engaging your audience or driving traffic, and by trigger types, like someone sending you a direct message or commenting on a post. You can start from scratch if you want, but to show you how a typical flow looks, select a template such as a lead magnet for capturing customer data. When you click it, you'll see a larger preview of the flow and its main features. Then click Set Up Template. This opens the automation editor. If you are using a template, you'll notice orange message boxes inside the flow. These are explanations that walk you through each step of the automation. Take a moment to read them so you understand what each part is doing. At the top of the flow, you'll see the trigger. In this example, it's set to user sends a message. On the left sidebar, you can set up keywords. These are words or phrases your customers might type that will activate your automated reply. For instance, if someone types pricing, your bot can automatically respond with your pricing information. If you want to use a different type of trigger, click New Trigger. A pop-up will appear showing all the available Messenger triggers you can choose from, such as starting a flow when someone comments on a specific post. Next, click on any step in the flow. When you select a step, its editing options will appear on the left side. Here, you can change the text of the messages, adjust delays, or add buttons and quick replies. If there's a message block you don't need, hover over it and click the small X icon to delete it. To rearrange the order of blocks inside a step, hover over the vertical two-headed arrow icon and drag the block up or down until it's in the right position. If you scroll further down in the left sidebar, you'll see a section called Content Blocks. These are reusable building elements you can drag into your flow. One particularly useful option is the data collection block. This lets you ask users for details like their email, name, phone number, or location, and store that information directly inside ManyChat. That way, you can build a list of leads and segment your audience based on what they share with you. Take some time to browse through the entire automation and adjust each part so it matches your brand's tone and goals. Make sure your questions are clear, your responses are helpful, and your follow-up messages make sense in the overall conversation. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Set Live. This publishes your automation and makes it active on your Facebook Messenger. From this point on, ManyChat will automatically handle Messenger conversations based on the triggers and flows you've set up. It can answer common questions instantly, collect new leads while you're offline, guide people toward your products or services, segment users based on their behavior, and send targeted follow-up messages to people who have already interacted with you.